Some work takes time, not because it's hard, but because it's fragmented. Let's look at how Copilot Cowork brings that work together. Hey, it's Willis. Now, let's look at how Cowork handles deeper, more complex work, the kind that usually takes hours across multiple tools. Research is a great example. Normally, you're pulling from multiple sources, reports, filings, internal documents, and trying to piece it all together. With Cowork, you can delegate that. It gathers information from web and work sources, prioritizes primary data, and organizes everything with citations. Then it delivers an executive summary, a structured research memo, and a supporting Excel file. So, instead of assembling inputs, you're working from outputs. Now, let's take something cross-functional, like a product launch. Cowork doesn't just generate ideas, it coordinates the work. It builds competitive analysis, creates a value proposition, and generates a pitch deck your team can use. It also outlines milestones, owners, and next steps. So, you're not starting from scratch. You're starting with a plan that's already in motion. Across both of these scenarios, Cowork isn't just creating content, it's coordinating the workflow around it. And it keeps you in control, with checkpoints and approvals along the way. That's what makes this different. Copilot Cowork turns intent into execution and helps you move from concept to completion. See you next time.